rub a little lotion on you?
No, that's okay.
Come on, seriously. Let me grease up your boobs. Boobs.
Hey, I have two children that are your age. Come on.
Do they grease up your boobs?
Oh my God.
Can I rub some lotion on you?
No, I'm all covered up.
I won't just do your shoulders. I don't mind exploring. I use the lotion on myself a lot at home. Hey ladies, can I interest you in a free bikini wax? How about you two open up and let me get in there? Will you rub some lotion on my back? Do it slow. Let's make this party last a while. Just a little right there, I guess.
You're all cranked up.
Now let me do you.
No, I didn't think so. I'm taking my shirt on.
Alright, I guess I wouldn't want to get my hand all hairy anyways. Excuse me, miss? Can you blow up my wrap for me?
I love that.
No, not you, sir.
You want her to do it?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. How do you feel about that?
Sure, I'd love to help you blow up your wrap.
Oh yeah, that's right. You look like you've had some experience.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah, you can blow up the rest of it, okay?
But she was doing so well. Your girl keeps giving me the eye. Are you keeping her happy at home? I want to practice mouth to mouth.
No,
Oh my
you can't
God.
do that.
No?
No mouth to mouth, because you know why?
Mouth to anything?
Nothing. Mouth to nothing.
Come on, honey. I thought all the cold fish were in the ocean.